Hey guys, this is Gavino from Advanblack. Welcome to Parts and Labor. As you see, we're all here. I hope to see you guys soon. Come down, say hi. So we're gonna walk around, take a look at some of the vendors, take a look at some of these bikes, and yeah, come with us and take a look. This is Robin. She is from Two Brothers Racing, and she does an amazing job. She's going to tell us a little bit of what she has here, and then whose bike is that?
So this is my bike. So this is Two Brothers Racing. We've been in business since 1985. We've been in the business of making and selling exhaust systems. So I have the 2-in-1 turnout on my bike, and I got a cam job on there. That's a twin cam touring model bike. And I chose this pipe. It gets excellent performance, excellent sound. Like, this bike just puts out way more horsepower than it did when I had my other pipe on it. We make tons of exhaust. We do it for sport bikes, Harleys. We have some for the FXR as well. So yeah, we're here for the show. We've done this show quite a few times already, and it's been great. It's great meeting all the other dealers and interacting with everybody here. But yeah, if you have anybody interested at all, just give me a call. We're in Riverside, and we could do exhaust systems for just about anything. So we still play with other exhaust systems as well. So if we need to build something, a lot of times we can work with people on that as well.
Cool, perfect. So, thank you, Robin. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Come check us out, and come check out Robin here at Two Brothers Racing.
Hi everybody, I'm Jessica with Advanblack. We are at Parts and Labor here in San Diego. We wanted to show everybody what we do. We make road glide front fairings, front fenders, tank covers, tank consoles. We even make seats, mostly ABS parts, and our newest up-and-coming part is our carbon fiber hand guards. We also make tour packs, lids, saddlebags, side covers. Don't forget to visit our website or our Instagram or Facebook to get more information on all of our parts.
Hey, this is Ty from Advanblack. We are here at Parts and Labor, and I just kind of want to walk you through some of the bikes that are here. Great production, great craftsmanship. Like, check out this road glide right here. You know how awesome this thing would look with our new carbon fiber fairing that's coming out? Be looking for that one. And now with the adventure bikes being so big in the industry now, this Yamaha Tenere, great explanation here. Some crazy custom builds, great paintwork, love it. Classic Triumph, you gotta enjoy the old school bikes.
Bill from Baja Design. As you guys know, the brightest lights out there in the market right now. He's going to talk a little bit about, you know, their products and stuff.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Bill from Baja Designs. We have a plethora of different light options for Harley Davidsons and off-road vehicles and any kind of vehicles you have. We have them from S1s to Squadrons, S2s, LPs, XL series. Depending on what you need, we have a lighting solution for you. If you want more information about Harley Davidsons, check us out on the Baja HD page on Instagram.
Cool. Thank you, man. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
No worries. Thanks.
Hey, this is Austin with Autoest. We're here at the Biltwell Parts and Labor Show. We're having a sale on our wheels, scratch and dent, mismanufactured items, screaming deals. Come on down, pick it up. Have a good day.
Loving the monochromatic on this old school bike. Great paint work. This thing looks fantastic. Lots of metallic, lots of flake. Oh boy, this is some of my old roots. Yamaha 400, I believe it's DT with the lights. That is a fun big bike. 52 Triumph 6T. Look at this thing. Looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor.
We are here with Carlos.
Carlos.
Yeah, with Carlos from Quiflash. They do some amazing seats. If you guys want something comfortable, customizable, this is what kind of they do. They have a couple different products. Carlos, you want to explain a little bit of what seats you guys have?
Yeah, so we make seats specifically for Harley Davidsons. We make a couple of seats for like a Yamaha and a Harley CRF 450. But mainly we stick to the Harley stuff. We can pretty much do anything. We've got an array of materials that we can use for the seats. So mix and match them together, different color stitching. That's the majority of it. We also do smaller parts, handlebar bags, grips, seat bolts, shifter pegs, sprockets, and pretty much
Now,
more.
I know you guys are local to Corona.
Yeah.
Here in California, do you guys have a showroom where a customer could call, or are you guys mainly online?
It's mainly online.
Mainly
So
online?
mostly distribution, but if a customer needs to pick up a part or wants to check out a seat before they order, they can always come by and see them in person.
Perfect. All right, Carlos, nice to meet you. Thanks.
man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
One of my more famous and favorite bikes. Check out this Indian. My goodness, this thing is pristine. I bet you the owner is stoked. If you're into trikes, this is the trike that you want in your garage. Check this thing out. Can never beat an RM 250. This thing rips in the dirt. I have no idea what this build is, but the fins are amazing. So Brad Plantinga, check these helmets out. We got to get you out here. This one right here, I'm gonna call it the rear tire ripper. This thing will be a blast to ride. This right here looks like a fun build. I'm gonna guess maybe a Sportster 2003 100th anniversary. We're gonna throw a rear swing arm and turn it into a Baja bike. This is a rad ride. Man, the paintwork on this is flawless. This has Road Warrior Easy Rider written all over it. Man, even got a backup fuel tank. Love it. Alicia, I think you'd like this one. It's purple. Check this thing out. This is probably one of my favorite builds. Looks like they incorporated some root beer paint in this thing. The exhaust, the swing arm being polished. This thing, I would love to ride this. I call this one the lead sled. This thing is gotta be not that much fun to ride. Definitely a bar hopper, but would be fun. Love the way that this Triumph turned out with a polished tank. I bet my friends that'd be parked next to me wouldn't be too happy with the reflections and the shine. Harley Dangerous. This thing is amazing. It's got to be at least 30 feet long. Wow, what a nice build. This is probably my second favorite build. The paintwork We've even got all of the pinstripe work that's been done. So clean, ties it all together. Doing time.
Here with Moto, just so he can show us some of his products.
How's it going, guys? My name's Jake with Moto. We are the main manufacturer for Baja Design Lights for the Harley-Davidson industry. We build all the bracketry and the harnesses to adapt these LP6s and LP4s and stuff like that to all the different Harley models. We've been working with Advanblack for a little bit. We built a kit that works directly with their new ST fairing. Everything's plug and play, ready to go for any of the lowrider ST kits to go with their fairing, as well as we're just finishing up our T-Sport setup here that runs an LP6 and dual S2s that will be adaptable to fit just about any of the Softail models or anything like that. So if you're interested in LP6 or anything like that, come out and see us.
Hey guys, this is Alan from Advanblack. We're at Parts and Labor. Today's great event, lots of people, good turnout. I really appreciate you guys stopping by, say hi, give us a lot of support. Can't wait to see another event like this, and we have a lot of content, and we're gonna produce a new YouTube video episode. So stay tuned and follow us, subscribe and like, and I'll see you at the next event.
Alrighty, thanks for joining us at Parts and Labor. We'll see you soon.